testing backend. How to do the API testing backend. And today we are going to discuss one more APIs. Just I need to launch the API. Just I will show you the dummy API. This is the dummy sample REST API. మరి చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది. స్క్రీన్ మరి చాలా చిన్నగా ఉన్నట్టుంది. See guys, here we have a different types of APIs is there. Just you need to copy this API and go to, and you need to create a folder under the collection. Just here we need to provide the name. Once you guys are creating the name, and you need to provide the request. The first request is the get request. What is the get? What is the get? What information? If we want to get the data from the database, we need to use get method. If you want to get the any existing resource, we need to use get method. If you want to get the any existing resource, we need to use get method. See here, this is up to.com. This is which one? This is domain. Okay. And after API.v1, and what is the employees? Query parameter. Just I want to hit the save button, and after that I want to hit the send button. You guys are observe what I need to validate in this time. What I need to validate. Response body, status code, status time, and a header. So you guys are observe response status code is the 200 related success, 175 minutes, and response body, this is the response body. This is the response body. How many employees is there? Everything will be reflected under API folder. Inside of the API folder, one V1 is there. Under V1, all the employees is there. Then we are able to get the all the employees. It is clear? Clear or not? Is it clear or not? Yeah. After that, if I want to get any single employee information, this is the 1 to 1 relation. 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 Just we need to provide here. Under employee number 1 is required. Employee number 1 is required. Just hit the save button and click on send button. Once I click on the send button, the status is the success. Success means 200 is okay. Okay. And ID, you guys are observed successfully. Record has been fetched. This is employee number 1. This is employee number 1. The next one, if you want to create anything, just you need to copy and create which method we need to use. Just here I need to provide create, post. Anything is required here. Body, raw, yeah. See here I will provide name, here I provide name and role. Just I need to provide the role here. And here I will provide email. This is the process. I need to create something. Once I create the data inside of the body, I want to click on the save. Once I click on the save, I need to hit the send button. You guys are observed here, successfully record has been added. Before fetched. Okay, now added. Okay, now added. The employee ID number 8502. The employee ID number 8502. Okay, see, and we need to get one more information. What is the employee ID number? 8502. Now I need to update. Just I need to provide 8502. Just we need to provide body, raw, JSON format. This data you need to copy. Already we create an in existing. Okay, so 8502 information. This is 8502 information. Just I need to update something here. Project manager I need to remove. Delivery manager. Just I need to change the role. I need to update. And once I update, I need to hit the send button. You guys are observed before first one is the get method is fetched and second post method is created. Next, this is put method is update. Successfully record has been updated. So You guys are observed, this is we call put and post and get. Is it clear? Everybody is clear? Okay. How to provide the request through postman? You have some idea. Is it clear? How to put the request through postman? You have some idea. You have an idea, not some idea. You have an idea. Okay. So every time the domain path is common. Is it clear or not? Every URI, the domain path is common. The path parameter will be changed. Query parameter will be changed. The domain parameter is, the domain path is common. So in Java with Selenium, if you want to access the WebDriver method from all method, the WebDriver where we need to provide? Boys, if we want to access the WebDriver method, all methods inside of the class, the time I need to provide WebDriver inside of where I need to provide? Where I need to provide? Yes, Sanjali. We are able to provide in public area, global area, instance variable. Please remember, guys, I said a number of times, if you want to provide a driver in public area, every method able to access that whatever the driver having the all methods, every method able to access the driver. So that's why if you want to access a launch method, multi-window method, if you want to access these two methods, must and should we need to provide a WebDriver inside of the public area. Is it clear or not? Now it is clear. At the same time, in environment quick look is there. Environment quick look is there. Just you need to click on environment quick look. You need to click on add. You need to click on add. Here you need to provide URL, up to .in. You guys are provide here. This is the global area. Up to .in, the domain path. The domain path I need to provide inside of global area. Once I provide the domain path in global area, once I provide the domain path in global area, this variable, how we are able to use this variable, how we are able to use. You can open your API. You need to remove this one. You need to remove this one. You guys are put down. We are expecting here. Just a minute. I need to save. Oh, save. Just I need to save. And once I save this one and go to get, see, we are able to get the URL. That URL you need to provide within the two curly braces like this. It is clear within the two curly braces. Okay. So I provided the URL. Just you need to observe. I need to hit the send button. We are able to get the information or not. Is it clear? For example, here API and users is there. This is routine for every URI. See here also API users. Okay. So this one also you need to provide inside of global area. Just I need to provide path. Okay. So if you want to put the secret, that is not a visible. Okay. That is not a visible. And hit the save. You guys are hit the save. And after that, you need to go to your API. You guys are observe from here to here. No, 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 no. Okay, done. See, path is there. You guys are select the path. Hit the save. Hit the save. Just we need to click on send button. We are able to get the information or not. Okay. This is the process. This is the process. And if you want to validate, the existing data, if you want to validate the response body, how we need to validate? You know how to create the global area. The next one, how to validate the existing data. Click on test. Click on test. Once you guys are click on text, by default some methods is there here. Which method is there here? First, status code is there. Content type is there. Response time is there. Okay. So basically, sometimes it is not there. You need to write manually this code and hit the send button. Once you guys are hit the send button, you guys are observe whatever you provided. The three is we validate, that is success. The status code, content type, and response time, that is validate. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Any doubt? Yeah, you guys are write down. Which one? If you want to validate response body or response time, status code, header. What I am saying, in API, what we need to validate? Status code, response time, response body, header. You guys are observe here. We are validate without body, response time we validate, and response time we validate, status code we validate. One body is pending. I will tell you how to validate the body. If you want to validate the body, we need to write some piece of code. This response time, status code, content type, existing some methods is available here. Some methods is available here. Just you need to click on this specific method, then automatically that related code will be reflected. It is clear or not? Yeah. What is the last heading? Header inside of the um, validation. Yeah. And how to create the collection is done. Is done or not? No. Yeah. The heading API working process. API working process. API working process. పాస్ అయ్యావు నువ్వు ఈ మొన్న పెట్టిన స్క్రీనింగ్ టెస్ట్ పేరుందనేది వెయిట్ చేయి అయితే మీకు చెప్పలేదా జస్ట్ ఏ మినిట్ ఆన్లైన్ గైస్ API working process. Yeah, write down. Once launch the Postman software, once launch the Postman software, we need to create a నాకు తెలుసు we need to create a workspace. We need to create a workspace, comma, create a collection, create a collection, create a collection. Under the collection, under the collection, create create folder, folder. Under the folder, create request. Under the folder, create request. Okay. Next line. Next line. If you want to provide the get request, if we want to provide the get request, if we want to provide the get request, we need to get the API from we need to get the API from specific URL. We need to get the API from specific URL, 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 and provide the URI and provide the URI and provide the you need to get the specific URL and provide the URI. Hit the send button. Hit the send button. Hit the send button. Okay. Hit the send button. Next line. Once we hit the send button, we need to validate the status code. Once we hit the send button, we need to validate the status code. Once we hit the send button, we need to validate the status code and the status time, response body. Okay. Next line. How to create the global variable in Postman. How to create the global variable in Postman. If we want to validate, if we, sorry, if you want to create, if we want to create if we want to create if we want to create global variable, if we want to create global variable, We need to click on the environment quick look, underline. We need to click on the environment quick look. We need to click on the environment quick look. Select the globals. Select the globals. Select the globals. Full stop, next line. In this global, we need to provide common domain path. In this global, we need to provide common domain path. In this global, we need to provide common domain path. Common domain path. And click on the save. 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 Full stop. Next line. If we want to call the global variable inside of the URI, if we want to call the global variable, if we want to call the global variable inside of the URI, see guys, URI this one, URI is this one. If you want to call the URI, we need to write below, command. If we want to call the global variable, we need to write below command. Write down 2 curly braces, variable name, close curly braces. Is it clear? Okay. That is completed. Yeah, just a minute, guys. Yeah. See, guys, now I will show you API project. Now I will show you API project. How to do the API testing? Okay. In real time, how to do the API testing in real time? Okay. What type of APIs we are able to do? What type of API testing we are able to do now? For example, one central library is there. You have an idea about that one? Central library. Do you have any idea about that process, central library process? No. Okay. We have one library is there. Central library is available in university level. University level. So this is one university is there. In that university, we have one library is there. In this library, we have a multiple books is there, number of books is there. So, for example, arts related one section, science related one section, and management related one section, commerce related one section, engineering related one section, computer related one section. Total 7 sections is there. Okay. See, one computer CSE student, go to library, listen carefully. One CSE student, go to library, he need computer graphics book. He need computer graphics books. See, he need a computer graphics book. How he will get the book from the library? What is the process? Huh? Sign చేయాలా? Yeah. You guys are observe in starting front office. In starting front office, we have one laptop or desktop is there. Okay. Starting before enter the library, entrance starting one desk, one system is there. In this system, book name, author name, book name, author name is there. See, you need to bring book name and author name. You need to enter the book name and author name, click on send button. Before entering, once you guys are click on the send button, the rack number it should be displayed. Total 7 sections is there. For 7 sections, total 14 racks is there entrance. Rack number it should be displayed. And rack number 8. Okay. Go to enter the library and you need to total 14 racks is there. You need to draw the 8 rack. In this 8 rack, one slips is there. Small slip type is papers is there. You need to verify your author name, alphabetical order. Okay. Rabindranath Tagore. Or you can take the R. See, you can verify. There one slip is there. You can pick the slip. You can pick the slip. In this slip, which section information. In this section, we have a different types of roles is there. We have a different types of rows is there. Which section, which row, every row 4 racks is there. For example, this is one row. This is one row. Okay, one row, 4 racks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 racks is there. Every row having 4 racks is there. In this slip, section number is there. Rack row number is there. Specific rack number also is there. You need to go to section and just pick the book directly. This is the process in real time in library. Without some people, new candidates is there, pressures. Okay. And some people once join the university, those people, they don't have an idea. Once join the people, they will directly without verifying, without pick the slip, directly they go to the section, they will verify. It will be take morning to evening if you want to pick the book. Yeah. So many racks is there where you need to get the book. That is very lengthy process. This is within 20 to 15 minutes it's completed. That is very less time. So that is the process. The type of APIs we are able to do. Is it clear or not? Yeah. See, this is the API. API. This is the API. Okay. What is this one? This API allows you to reserve book. The API available in this location. The API is available in this location. Okay. See endpoints. This is the get and the status. You guys are observe. If you want to get the list of books, we need to use get method. And finally here we need to use the books. We need to use the books. This is the process. How we are able to do this process, I will explain one by one. First of all, I need to take this URI and create a folder. Create a folder. Once we create the folder, we need to create a request. This is the get request. This is the get request. I need to provide the URI. So once I need to provide the URI, I want to get the status of the, here I want to get a status. Just hit the save. What is the API book status? I need to click on send button. Status is okay. The URI is ready. Okay. URI is ready. We are able to do the anything. So this is status. The status is ready. And after that, I want to get the list of books. I want to get the list of books. If I want to get the list of books, I want to use get method and need to use books. What is the books? What is the books? See, we need to use get method and finally we need to use books. What is the books? Books is nothing but a book. What is the books? Yes, correct. Query parameter. The books is the query parameter. Just we need to provide the request and we need to change here. Books. And here we need to provide same. And we need to provide, remove this one, books. The books is the query parameter. Once I hit the send button, I am able to get all the books. I am able to get all the books. See guys, what is the true? In my library, the book is available or not. The book is available. That is true. This book is not available. Just as I am. This book is not available. So this is the false. If you want to validate the books in library, how many books is available, how many books is not available, we need to get the information. It is clear? Clear or not? Yeah. Optional query parameter. type fiction, non-fiction in number of between 1 to 20. Yeah. See guys, for example, I want to get a single book. I want to get a single book. My expected book is there or not in my library. I need to validate. Go to API and click on the request. Go to API and click on a request. And you guys are provide here. And after that, you need to provide books and book ID. Just I want to get the book number 3. What is the 3? Query parameter. Just I want to click on hit button. So my expected book is there. Okay. My expected book is there. The book related complete information is there. Name is there, author is there, type is there, price is there, current stock 987 books is available. Total 987 books is available. Okay. Is it clear or not? If you want to get a single book, we need to provide that one. Okay, get is okay. Get is working. So the next one is the post. The next one is the post. If you guys are observe in real time, I said, did you discuss about the authorization and authentication? Authorization and authentication. I discuss or not? I think I discuss. I discuss already. Authorization and authentication. Authentication or authorization. I discuss or not? Girls, I discuss or not? I discuss or not? I'm not discuss. I'm not discuss. Okay. It is very important. What is the difference between the authentication and authorization? Authentication and authorization. The best example for authentication and authorization, if you want to enter the office, before enter the office, you need to put your ID card. The ID card will be scanned. That related information is available in database. The door will be open. That is called a authentication. That is called a authentication. Everyone able to enter the library. Everyone able to enter the library. Okay. And once you guys are enter the office, if you want to go to server room, if you want to go to server room, you don't have a access. If you want to enter the server room, you need to take some permission. That is authorization. You need to enter the library. The book is not available. You are able to put the order. We don't have a rights. You need to inform to the chief librarian. He will put the order. That is called a authorization. That is called a authorization. It is very important, guys. Authentication Only we are able to enter authorization. Some areas is prohibited. Okay, in this office, some areas is prohibited. Is it clear or not? That is we call authorization. For example, the book is not available. The book is not available. We need to put the order. How we need to put the order? We need some special permission. If you want to get the special permission, if you want to get the special permission, you need to go to your API, put the request. This is order means order. Order means, huh? Correct. Order creating. Order means create is not there. If you want to get that one, something you need to create. Okay. Order means create. So you guys are observe. If you want to create anything is required, body, raw, JSON form. See here, this information I will provide. My name is I will provide. My name I will provide. My email I will provide. My name I will provide. And email I will provide. And hit the send button. Once I hit the send button, I am able to get the authorization. I need to put the request for authorization. Just I need to hit the send button. 404. Okay, not found. This is my mistake. This is also my mistake. And I need to put the order. If I want to put the order, page not found. Very good. Conflict. API client already registered, tried different email ID. Conflict. Very good. Thank you very much, Priyanka. And one more person, Pavani. You guys are concentrate here, guys. Offline, guys. You guys are why you people are murmuring. Okay. If I want to provide any request, always I am not a writer. Okay. You guys also verify. I am also human, not a robot. So every time I am unable to provide right thing, you people are observe here. If I did any mistake, immediately you can catch that point. Okay. Just I need to create robot. Just I want to click on the, see, I got a authorization. I got a authorization. This is the authorization. This authorization I need to save in one location. This authorization I need to save in one location. And after that, I need to provide order. After that, I need to provide the order. How I need to provide? You guys are observe. If I want to provide the order, we need to use post and orders and copy this one. Go to API. Which request I need to use? Huh? Post. And we need to change here post. Once you guys are provide the orders, what we need to provide? Body raw. And here, which book I need to order? The book information I need to provide. The book information I need to provide. See, this is, I need to provide the request. What type of error I am able to get, you guys are observe? Missing authorization. Missing authorization. I said clearly, you are able to enter, book is not available, you are unable to order. We don't have a rights. Just I got a right. I got a authorization. Click on the authorization. Click on the authorization. Authorization, it is very, very important, guys. Types of authorization. No auth, basic auth, bearer token, auth 1.0, auth 2.0. These are all authorizations. How many authorizations is there? They will ask. Okay, these are all, you know, you guys are remember. Next one. How to handle, how many headers is there? You need to remember some headers, at least 3-4 headers. And next one, yeah, the next one, authorization is done, headers is done, and how you guys are able to handle the cookies. Okay, cookies, this is also question. So you guys are remember everything. So I need to select the bearer token. I need to select the bearer token. Once I select the bearer token, I will provide the token number. This is my token number. This is my access token. Just I need to copy. Here I will provide. Here I will provide. Click on save. Click on save. Once I click on the save, I need to go to body. Okay. See, before we got a missing authorization header. Now I want to hit the send button. What happened? True. Once you guys are provide the order, what happened? You guys are observe. Once you guys are put the order, for example, anywhere you guys are put the order. Once you guys are put the order, what we are able to get? Next, order successful. Okay, fine. Next, what we are able to get? Online people are able to answer. Yes, Priyanka, order ID is correct or not? Once we put the order, we are able to get a order ID. We are able to get or not? Yeah, based on the order ID, we are able to track. That is right answer. See, we are able to get the order ID. We are able to get the order ID. If you want to change address, for example, delivery time, you are not at your home. Delivery time, you are not at your home. The time you need to change the name and address and contact number. Someone will pick the order. Someone will pick the order. The time what I need to do? The time I need to do the update. The time I need to do the update. See, you guys are observe. If I want to get the order, if I want to get the order, orders, next order ID, order and order ID. Missing authorization. Bearer token automatically will reflected. Just we need to hit the send button. That is our order or not? Order name 1, customer name John or not? It is clear or not? The order information is right or wrong? That is the order. Same in real time also we are able to do. Same as it is. Nothing is changed. What I did here in real time also as it is we need to do API testing. This is the API. How to do the automation also I will tell you tomorrow. Automation also, how to do the API testing automation, that one also I will explain. Bearer token is the user friendly. Mostly we are able to take bearer token. Bearer token, it is mostly real time also we are able to take bearer token. Okay, we have a different authentic. See, if you want to say, take the basic authentication, you need to enter username and password. Which username? Your office username and password. Authorization, they will provide API related authorization. We don't have a credential, the time we need to take bearer token. Is it clear? If you want to provide this basic authentication, the company people will provide the username and password. You need to enter username and password for that. If you want to skip that process, you need to take the bearer token. You need to take the bearer token. Is it clear? Bearer token not required. That is the authorization. The bearer token is the authorization. See, I want to change the name. I want to change the name and add the mobile number. I want to change the name and add the mobile number. If I want to change the name, just I need to put the request. This request is the What is that one? Update means which method? I need to use patch. I need to use before we are using put. Okay. Now I need to use patch. Just here we need to select the patch. Go to API. Just you need to provide. If you want to provide the patch, something is required. Body, raw, JSON format, patch order, orders, and that one. Patch orders, that one. So I need to add the mobile number also. I need to add the mobile number also. Mobile. I need to add the mobile number also. I need to change the name also. Just I need to change the name also. Once I change the name, just I need to hit the send button. What is that one? Authorization is the missing. Bearer token. Click on save. Click on save. Hit the send. We got a no content body. Just a minute. This is existing. Unresponsible entity. This one. Save. This one. No content. Okay. No content. It is okay, fine. No problem. Just you guys are observe. Okay. This is your John is there here. Correct? John is there. We are updated already. Pilantar is the name. Okay. Pilantar is the name. John is updated. We updated. Replace the name. John name replaced. So I want to click on send button. The name is updated or not. You need to verify. Name is updated or not. Name it updated or not. So that is the process. That is the process. You guys are able to understand or not? The patch also similar meaning, Priyanka. Put and patch both are you guys are able to use. You guys are able to understand or not? Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Online and offline? Do you have any doubt? Yeah, it is fine. Everything is fine. How to do the API testing in real time? Okay, this is the process in real time we are able to do. And tomorrow we will discuss how to do the API testing by using automation. Manual we are able to do by using Postman. Automation how we are able to do, I will explain. Put the heading. What is the difference between authentication and authorization? What is the difference between authentication and authorization? Abhijit, the patch also similar meaning of put. If you want to update anything, we are able to use put method. If you want to update anything, we are able to use patch also. Patch also. Okay. Yeah. What is the difference between authentication and authorization? Write down. There are a different types of authorizations. Is there? There are a different types of authorizations. Is there? There are a different types of authorizations. Is there? Okay. Under, there are a different types of authorizations. Is there? Under authorization tab. Under authorization tab. See on the board. See guys, there are a different types of authorizations. Is there? Under authorization tab. Yeah, write down. The first one is the bearer token. Bearer token. The second one is the no auth. No auth. See on the screen. NOAUTH. NOAUTH. Third one is the basic auth. Basic AUTH. Basic auth. And next one is the OAuth 1.0. OAuth OAUTH 1.0. And next one is the OAuth 2.0. Okay. OAuth 1.0, OAuth 2.0. Okay. Yeah. If we want to select the basic authentication, if we want to select the basic authentication, we need to provide the authorization username and password. If we want to select the basic authorization, we need to provide the if we want to select the basic authorization, we need to provide the authorized username and password. We need to provide the authorized username and password. Next line. If we want to select any above options, if we want to select any above option means bearer token, 0, OAuth 1.0, OAuth 2.0. If you want to select any above, if you want to select any above options, only we are able to provide the token number. Only we are able to provide the token number inside of the bracket access token. Inside of the bracket access token. Next one, authentication. The authentication is nothing but the authentication is nothing but only we are able to access, only we are able to access the authentication is nothing but only we are able to access resource, resource, resource. Okay, next line. The authorization is the different permission. The authorization is the authentication means only access resource. Authorization is the different permission. Example write down. Example write down. We have one employee is there. We have one employee is there, comma. If the employee able to enter the office, if the employee, we have one employee is there. If the employee is able to enter the office, he's able to put the identification. He's able to put the identification in bracket ID. One employee is, we have one employee is there. If you have entered the office, he's able to put some identification inside of the ID. Okay. Next line. The employee related information is there in database. The employee information is there inside of the database. The employee information is there inside of the database. He is able to enter the employee information is there inside of the database. He is able to enter the office. He is able to enter the office. Next line. This is we call authentication. This is we call authentication. Next line. Full stop. Next line. Once enter the employee, definitely in real time they will ask example. What is the difference between the authorization and authentication? Tell me one example. Same example you guys are explaining. Yeah. Once enter the employee, once enter the employee in this office, once enter the employee in this office, if he want to go to server location, if he want to go to server location, he need authorization. If he want to go to server location, he need authorization. Now it is clear. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Next heading. Types of header. Types of header. Okay. There are a different types is there. There are a different types is there. There are a different types is there in header. First one, content type. Content type. Next one, content length. Content type and content length. Next one, connection. Connection. Next one, X powered by. See on the board, X hyphen powered by. X hyphen powered by. Power by. X hyphen powered by. Okay. Next one, E tag. E tag. E for eagle. Tag. Tag means in Cucumber we are using tag. Okay. E tag. Okay, definitely they will ask content type, they will ask the time you can say application JSON. Yeah, put the hyphen, content type hyphen application JSON. Length, content length, total length size, characters 15, example 15 length. Connection connection, keep a live connection, keep a live, always we need to keep a live. See on the screen if you have any doubt, keep a live. Okay, keep a live. Expound by express means some type of speed. Expound by express. E tag encrypted format. E tag encrypted format. E tag encrypted format. It is clear. Okay, tomorrow we will start the API automation. This is the manual, how to do the manual testing. You people are able to understand or not? Any doubt? How many people are installed API? 2, 3, 4, 5. What about you guys? As early as possible, you need to install API. And how many people are set up the Cucumber? It is executed. Code is executed. Which dependencies you guys are using? Same what I was using. Yeah, that time it is working. If you want to use your own dependency, it is not working. Yeah, you guys are need to practice. Okay. Every time I said clearly, you need to practice, practice, practice. Okay. Suddenly the opportunities will came suddenly. Okay. You guys are be ready. Be ready. For example, who are selected in last time screening test, they have, they will provide, the NRHID people will provide fast track training, 3 weeks. Fast track training that is completely interview oriented. That is completely interview oriented. That is completely fast track. No need to discuss code or anything. Just only interview oriented. What type of questions they are asking, how you people are able to answer. Only that one. Okay. So this is the good opportunity for that people. You those guys are able to utilize. Already 2 companies is came to Naresh IT. Some people are able to attend today and tomorrow. 3 lakhs package. Okay. So I said number of times, you no need to search any extra stuff in Google or